bra. Let's see hanggang kailan to. Oh, this face is not facing anything. This face is horrible. It's not giving. Hilo. Si Billie Eilish to, oo. New Gen Divas! Asa na mga New Gen Diva? Ay, against the light, dapat dito tayo para gorgeous tayo, guys.
No, it's against the world.
It's us against the world.
Ay, TikTok pa rin.
TikTok live ba?
Kaysa! Oh my gosh, it's live! Woke up like this.
In case you haven't heard.
You didn't tell me, dude.
We kept saying, sabi namin, babe,
What's with
everybody,
it
babe.
if it's live?
Hello, guys. Grab a seat. Grab a chair. Hello, we are the New Gen Diva. Diva? Diva? Diva?
So, paano? I am aging. My hairline
Can
is
you
receding.
try Jenny's new song? Ano? Love your shirt. I know, guys. Look at
A little pony.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
You gave
What? I just saw
He's so
my soul back.
You're all I can think of. And loving. Oh, wait, sorry. Transfer my glasses so I can see. Ganda nyo naman.
A little pony.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
You gave
What? I just saw
He's so
my soul back.
You're all I can think of. And loving. Oh, wait, sorry. Transfer my glasses so I can see. Ganda nyo naman. Salamat.
Hindi kwento to.
Ah, agree naman ako.
Charot.
How do you say that? Gilex?
Gelex? Bisaya?
Ay, Jelex. Alam mo,
Jelex.
katunog siya ng
Jelex.
ano ng
Jelex.
S-Lex, S-Ite.
Wala na kasi pang magawa sa
Jelex?
pangalan ko. Lagi na lang Lex. Gusto ko nga, alam nyo guys, sa fantasy ko talaga ni
Lexa.
Jello.
Sheesh! It's like laxative. Jex.
No, ang fantasy ko
Oo,
talaga
ano?
ang pangalan namin ni Jello. Alo.
Gilex, yung parang allergic. Alam mo yung allergy. Ano?
Alo sana. Pero,
Alo, tapos last name Vera.
Aloe
exact,
vera.
ganda yun nila
Aloe
eh.
vera.
Perfect, di ba? What? We're not so I love can you? Dahil malayo na ako, hindi ko na nakikita. Ganito. Gaganito.
I'll just stand.
Ganito ko.
Uy, Rufa May daw. Where's Rufa May?
Tama na kayo ngayong pame, guys. Move on na tayo.
Wala na po siya dito, yes.
Hindi ka kita sa bra.
Ayoko.
Kulang kami. Nasaan si Carmel?
Corms! Tumae.
Monkey.
Uy, quiet pa.
Bawal ba yun dito sa TikTok?
Bawal siya bawal dito.
May sabi isang.
Tawag sa hair ko, hindi ko rin po nagpapakita.
Boy.
Layered siguro po. Bagal ng net nyo. Sorry na.
There's actually no signal here.
Oh, shoot.
Sa ano,
Sabi ko nga.
No wonder. Okay, let's move
No,
the
let's move the chair.
Let's move the table. Exactly. To the right.
Oo, kasi Ate Jo na naman tomorrow kasi Ate Jo. Okay, we'll bring it back.
We're rearranging. But we lost the sun!
It's okay, I'm fine.
I don't need the sun.
Alam niyo, dito na lang si Balik na tayo dito. Ito na. Balik na tayo dito. Okay na to. Ito na. Mamaya na natin ibalik ang ano. Our signal isn't the best.
Please
here.
sponsor us, Starlink.
Wala mi magets. Okay lang. Magagets mo din yan mamaya.
It will come back to you.
Parang may press con.
Welcome to Negros. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we're so sorry for the lag. Trinay lang naman namin mag-live.
What do you want, what do you guys want New Gen Divas to sing soon?
Unsa man.
Wow.
WAP.
Wow.
Cardi B, Boda.
Acid, certified, free.
Cardi B, Megan Thee
7 days a
Stallion. Yeah.
Megan Thee
Nandito kayo sa Negros. Opo!
Ano na kaya ulag, uriga, isma.
Yes, nandito po kami sa Negros. Nasaan si Carmel? Alam niyo, bumaba siya eh. Hindi ko lang alam saan siya nagpunta. Basta bumaba siya, baka nag-CR. Ay, may CR naman dito.
Sa mga nagko-comment dyan, naghahanap kung sino man ang wala dito, wag nyo na i-comment. Charot.
Gagalit na siya, gagalit.
Hindi nyo kailangan i-comment ang wala.
Pero gets
Except
naman.
for Carmel. Wala si Carmel.
Oo, okay lang yan. Si Carmel lang ang sasagutin
Pero yung
namin.
mga wala, wag na.
Ay, tama.
Hello everyone.
Pick ako din yun yun. Nasaan si Ganto?
Ako din yan. Asan si ano? Asan si...
Nanay ba niya ako?
Pinapakain ko ba siya?
Niluwal ko ba siya? Bakit ko malalaman kung nasaan
Kasama
sila?
ka ba siya?
Saan sa Negros? Nandito po kami ngayon sa Victoria City.
Is it Occidental or Oriental?
Occidental. Negros Occidental.
Ano bang Negros Oriental?
Guys, pagpipickleball ako later.
Sama mo naman
May
kami.
Negros Oriental. May Negros ba?
Ito po, hindi kasi kami kasha, ang laki ko eh. So, ayan, sila na lang.
Parang baliw. It's not us, it's the phone. E di ganito natin. Oh, ayan! Oh!
Pangat kayo mag-adjust. Babaliktad mo.
Pero pag nagbasa ganito.
Buddy.
Hi daw.
Kung pwede lang kasing maayos yung, alam mo yun?
0.5.
Oo, 0.5 na pangarap.
Wala namang point. Ano, they need to put that
No,
in
it's
the
good. I need to put that one.
Baby!
Okay, come inside, come inside.
Come in.
I cannot see it,
see
please.
also. No. Watch.
Hey, your!
But we can't see ourselves.
Sino po yung kumanta ng Arabic? Si Ella.
May kwan.
Galing-galing nga.
Merci beaucoup.
Kagwapa, gid ha.
Salamat kaayo.
What does gid mean?
Gid is like Jud. Gid.
What's that?
Gid.
What does Jud?
Jud is like talaga.
Yeah.
So when the person said guapa, gid,
Guwapa, gid ka.
that means
Wapo.
maganda
Talaga.
ka talaga.
Oo, you're so maganda.
Sino yung brain?
Pag gwapa ka, medyo lang.
Hindi ko siya.
medyo maganda ka.
Kaayo. Guapa kaayo. Very. Oh, I need to learn. You guys should teach me
Yeah.
Bisaya. Ang bilis
God damn.
Hindi ko kindly. Wala na. Hindi ko pa. We're trying to read comments, but we cannot. Okay, where is Carmel? Nasa baba. Please let that be the last person to ask that. Pag may nagtanong, sagutin niyo na po. Nasa baba si Carmel. Pray
Pero wag
for
na kayo
her.
maghanap ng iba pang tao.
Alexa, favorite food mo dito sa Bacolod? Oh, I really, of course naman.
Bacolod
no?
chicken and
Inasal. Kansi, I really like kansi. Hindi pa ako nakakain ng kansi dito. Ma'am, kakain ba tayo ng inasal mamaya?
Yes.
Pag parang ang labo ng mata ko.
Malabo.
Wala ako makita.
I'll just join the live. Honestly, I have another phone. You know what? You know what? That's so
Honestly.
smart, Kai.
Kai, you're brave.
We're gonna watch ourselves.
Kai, you actually have a
Where
brain.
the hell is my phone? Oh, there's stupid.
Baby!
Kaso walang signal.
Nasaan na mag-inasawa?
Bakit nagagagaan niya?
Oh my God, Okay, let's put this back na po. Wow.
Favorite vocal
Do you guys like my new glasses? Do you like my new glasses? Do you like my new glasses? It's the Jenny glasses. Do you like my new glasses? Somebody better
Wait, you got it
answer.
from Gentle Monster?
No. I got it from Vision Express. It's from Ray-Ban. No one's saying yes. No one's saying they like my glasses. I might as well just
Roses.
throw it away.
Kanta ka daw ng Arabic.
No, thank you for the
She's not
rose.
Arabic.
Thank you for the rose.
Huh?
Thank you for the rose.
I swear to God, kapag may nagbagsak dito ng
Oh, thank you for the flag.
Galaxy.
Thank you for the flag. Happy
Ng
Pride
ano?
Month, everyone.
Hey, happy Pride! Kiss me right now.
Bibingka. Thank you for the bibingka. Thanks for the bibingka.
Thanks for the bibingka.
Kai, can you stop? Think, this money is gonna come to me. So, okay, sagot ko na yung inasal. Yes, the money. There's one here. I miss my baby! sila. The Queen. Hello po, Miss D. Hello po. Hello po, Miss D. Hello po. Hindi, nakakaya. Nandito na sila. Pinipimple ako. Opo. Wait lang. Kakarating nyo lang po. Hello po, Miss Lana. Hello po. Okay, sorry. Lumabas sa Reg. Dito na lang tayo. Kasi yung mga kasama ko hindi sumunod sa akin. Naglalag ba? Sorry na. Lag ka na. Sorry na. Lumabas na nga kasi. Ay, gamit. Narinig ko yung Sinta before pa, as in, sobrang before. Di pa atan rin. Ano nga, let's go inside our room. Are there no more rooms? Wala na bang kwarto dito? Ito yung kila Darin, no? Dito tayo. Okay, dito. How many days ka nang nagsasardines? How many more? It's okay.
But I feel better.
We should try. Okay, dito. How many days ka nang nagsasardines? How many more? It's okay.
But I feel better.
We should try. Ay, mainit naman sa loob eh. Maririnig kasi yung mga kanta ng iba. Lag, malalaos. Sige na, tigil na natin to. Tama na to.
We actually opened this.
At least we tried.
Meron.
Diba?
I can't stop the loneliness. Ay, ang fresh ko dyan. Yes naman.
Yes na. Sobra. Maganda tayo dito. Okay na. Ayan! May signal na as
Random.
ang ilong mo. Ano meron?
is sunlight. Where's Sky?
Yes.
Para siya. He's gonna figure it out.
Andito na. Okay na? Lag pa ba? Sorry na. Ito na. Nasa baba na kami. Nandyan si Jel. Wala siya dito.
Wala siya.
Sa-
Papuntahin mo nga.
Sabi ko nga, pupunta naman talaga siya.
Bukas pa.
Hindi. Sa 6 pa. Ano ba? Bukas? 6? Bukas na ba? 6? Bukas na pala. Bukas. Kay siya. Where did Kai go?
Kala niya kasi papasok tayo dun eh.
Saan? Kay Sir Ogie?
Hindi, sa baba.
Ay, mali. Ang favorite song ko sa BGYO On Demand is Sinta. It's my favorite. It's my bias. It's my bias talaga. Have you guys listened to it? I love it. So, ang aking rank, Sinta, ano yung Forever Tonight? Yung nilabas nila. Tapos, Fresh. Sobrang OA naman nung
I hate the sound.
balik kayong, you hate the sound of what? The fan?
It's fine. I'm just kidding.
Misbehave. Yes! Thank you guys for watching Misbehave.
I'm not behaved.
Oh. Then you're misbehave. Thank you guys so much for watching Misbehave. We are top 4 na sa shows on iWant. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Salamat naman ng sobra fantasy. Nag-hi si Jello. Saan? Hello? Where are you? Hindi ko nakita. Sorry. Si Francine where? Hindi ko lang alam if may rehearsal siya today. Kami kasi nag-rehearse kami New Gen Divas. Diva?
Thank you for the rose.
Thank you guys so much naman.
Guys, wag saan kayo nag-give pa rin pangkain ka naman.
Baliw? Baliw? Totohanin nila yan.
Isa ka pong
See you po sa 7. See you! Ilang prods ang gagawin mo? I have 10 prods.
Sarap.
I have 10 prods
I have
this.
19.
Over. Ano, tatlong buwang show na. Tatlong buwang show.
She has 25. Si Esa.
I have 10 prods this. Alex, try
Try
na.
nyo yung Napoleones. That's my
Hey,
favorite
I love
here.
Napoleones, but I haven't eaten pa. I mean, ito.
Tomorrow. I mean, no, sorry. Monday. When we get to the airport, we can buy.
Yeah, sige, sige.
Napoleon is the best. Merci the best.
This hair is driving me crazy.
Himingaw ko ni mo. Himingaw ko ni mo.
Nag-send ng rose si Jello. Oh, really? Ay, sus naman.
We
Thank
miss you
you.
in your face.
I miss my face too.
Damn, I miss your face also. Wish you can find your face.
Ang bilis mga comment. Nawawala na kiss. Carmel, nandyan, palakad-lakad.
Is that yours? Yung mabawa Amoy vanilla.
Yeah!
Sabi ko na
Do you like it?
Iya, kaamoy nung...
It's my
Lotion
super
ko,
favorite
EOS.
perfume as in na-addict ako.
Amoy EOS.
Hindi.
Yung EOS na ano?
Alam ko yan, alam ko yan.
Cashmere vanilla.
I have, ang meron ako niyan is...
May ano ako, 5 months stock ako. No?
Damn!
Order ako sa States. Crazy kasi $20 lang doon.
Kanta daw tayo. Sige.
1,
Ano?
2, 3, go.
Baby, where the hell is my husband? Automatic na yon. Automatic yon basta may bumilang ng 1, 2, 3. Ay, friend. Tinutuon nila yung sinabi mo, may pangkain tayo. Baliw kasi.
I'm just kidding.
Joke lang po, but thank you so much.
Plus, we have credit cards.
Anong grado ng salamin mo? Ano? Grade 10. Nag-high school na ito.
95.
175? 175.
Pasado.
Kasi dati,
Hindi dress.
uy, magkaganyan na ako dati.
Tres.
Dati, 500 yung kanang mata ko. Tapos yung kaliwa wala. Tapos nagpa-LASIK
Taga
ako.
Victoria's din ako. Walang nagtanong. Char! Ang salbahe ng Elanin ko.
Sobrang salbahe.
Masungit. Kaya siya!
We're here. Did you find food? Did you find
Finding
food?
food.
What's that?
Tito Martin gave me cookies.
Oh! Darren, say hi.
Matigas.
Angas naman ang pormahan mo.
Thank you.
Fire naman yan.
How are you guys?
Hello, hi.
Hello,
You
hello.
want? You want?
No,
I would like to
Hello,
try.
hello.
Fine, fine.
Hello.
Hello,
Okay, try
live.
my
Is it sweet? Try my cookie. I think your cookie's yummy.
Ang matigas na ng cookie niya.
I don't like your cookie.
Hindi masarap cookie mo.
I don't like your cookie, Kai. Yung cookie mo matigas.
Oh, shit. Well, di ba naman ang bigas ng cookie?
Hindi ko gusto. Lasang ano? Egg na.
Eggnog?
Hindi ko gusto.
Ayaw mo ng eggnog?
Ina, thank you naman so much! Pwede ka lang mag-stop. Okay lang po, joke lang po yung kanina. Joke.
Opo, may credit card ka.
Victorious kayo now. Yes. Ganda ng glasses. Thank you naman po, no, kay Janitor. Now,
Jenny Lynn Mercado?
Escobar. I just wanna be right where you are.
Vampire, right?
In the end, I hope it's you and me. And ang kanta na pala yun. I must confess. Wow, puro mga singer. Yes, tama. Kanta nga. Asan yung...
1, 2, 3, go.
Baby, where the hell is my husband? What has taken him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Get me down with another. station. What is this beautiful man waiting for me to get on the way? When it's at my station. I must be out. Yung he must be out na hindi ko nagawa nung asa. Kalimutan ko.
Okay lang kasi may plus one yan, so narinig pa rin.
Ayun na this way. You keep me waiting, anticipating, hey, wherever you belong. And if I see me, don't believe how my heart yearns for him.
Is he far away?
Is he far away?
Is he okay?
Is he okay? Testing me, help me, help me, help me, Lord.
I need you to tell me.
Baby, where's my husband? Woo-hoo.
So long.
Getting down with another. Tell him I'm busy and baby. Tell him Hirap na hirap na ako sa buhok na to Gusto ko na magpakalbo.
Bra, may tulo.
Ay, may tumutulo?
Yeah, sa likod. Anticipating.
Hey! Nandyan ba si Kyle Echari? Ano to ba siya? Parang hindi ko pa siya nakikita.
I think he's going somewhere. Parang out of the country.
Kyle Echari?
Not sure.
Ilan ang prod nyo ni Jello? We have 4. We have 4 prods. Kaya Jello, get your ass here. We need... Ay! Ano yun? We need to rehearse, Jello. Ang lala ng mga prod natin. See you sa Victoria. See you! You can still get your tickets, guys.
Oh, not sponsored by Wilkins.
Get your tickets for ASAP Live in Victoria City. Masaya ba sa Victoria's in Fair? Happiness.
Victoria's Australia.
Happiness naman.
Best time for happiness. Every day.
Punta kayo sa bahay namin. Sige te, saan ba yan?
Tapos send mo yung ano.
Send address. May pagkain ba dyan?
Mag-pickable ako later. See you guys. Hindi ko sasabihin saan. Pero sa Marine Bacorum.
Malamang, alam nga mag-Manila ka pa, no?
Pwede naman. Book mo ako.
Darren. Wala pa si Darren. Wala pa
Darren
siya.
is tomorrow.
Ay, tumawag nga pala sa akin. Yes, tomorrow pa sila. Nauna ako, kami ni Kai, ang pinakauna dito because mag-shoot ako ng spills yesterday. Tapos si Kai naman ay nag-tour. Tapos today, dumating ang New Gen Divas.
Yeah, we just arrived today. Kaninang umaga.
Yes.
Guys, kwento ko lang. Sobrang chaotic sa Terminal 10. I don't wanna repeat that again.
Bakit naman kayo?
Ano bang airline niyo? Oh.
I think same naman tayo.
Same, pero ang daming tao.
Oo, madaming tao.
Yeah, first time ko lang na
Daming tao?
Hindi. Like, may... Iba yung kanina, dude.
Hindi, actually, in fairness, nagulat din ako. Sobrang daming tao nung nag-fly kami.
Yes. Wala ko sa, sa Manila. Saan? Ang pa-shuttle ko si Ma'am Reese.
Seryoso ba yun?
Anong pangalan?
Seryoso yun?
Oo, kuya ko. Sino si Reese? Reese.
Aba, sabihin mo mag-send siya ng gift.
Anong pangalan? Reese.
Witherspoon.
Reese.
Legally
Oh, hi, Madam Reese.
Napag-utusan pa nga ni.
Best friend daw ng kuya ko. Hi po.
A-attend
Sige,
ng
best
prom.
friend.
Yes, a-attend ako ng Star Magical Prom. Are you attending, guys?
Yeah.
You are. Oh, great. I'm gonna see you.
Enjoy.
Yes, I have to attend because I will pass the crown.
Wait, you got the crown last year?
Last.
Hello!
Jeremy! Say hi to
Oh my gosh.
Jeremy!
Oh my gosh, hi live! Oh my gosh, we're live! Live, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog. Jeremy, what is that?
It's on mic.
Hi, Jeremy! May nag-iisa man na po.
Tao po.
Liveception. Since when have you been here, Jeremy?
Since this morning,
Oh,
we
okay.
all have the same flight.
I've been here too long.
I know.
Sitting yesterday.
We have to talk about that.
Ooh, spicy!
Spicy!
Spicy! Hi, Jameson! Spicy! Mukhang may cheese. May isa pang masasagap.
Tsaa, bro.
Mag-solo ka ba sa prom? Tignan natin.
What's Darlexa?
Kami ni Darin. Over naman sa iyo. Over naman sa iyo.
You guys are friends.
Yes.
You have no need to like ship.
We're not friends.
Best friends.
Two great friends, two good friends. Habibi ko yun.
Habibi, ano rin?
Yes. Then, siniship kami kasi we sing together.
Okay, enjoy.
Yes. Yun lang. Bye-bye. What song is this?
Just
Got to
eating.
Believe in Man. Si Kyle ba to?
No, this is Mama Ray. She was just eating upstairs. Yes,
Okay,
yeah,
thank you.
you.
Thank you, kuya.
Somehow your fan helped.
Diba? Of
It's a
course
bit-
naman.
It's cold.
This is my new fan, guys. It's so nice. Kaso na, this was a
Jesus
gift.
life.
Si Jesus. This was a gift to me. Kaso, ang problema, ito yung nilalagyan, ito yung bago, nilalagyan mo siya na parang cotton. It comes with an attachment. And then the attachment has cotton. And then you put, and then you put essential oil. Para pag naghangin ka, amoy mo siya.
God.
Diba? It's so smart.
Lagyan ko ng manzanilla.
But my dumb self, nawala. Nawala yung attachment.
It's okay to be dumb, but not every day.
But it's everyday. Kanta ka ng Arabic song. Si Ella po ang magaling dyan. Ako hindi. I am not maalam sa Arabic song. I've got a pimple. Okay, that's it guys. Bye-bye.
What tayo?
Okay na ako dito. Masaya ako dito.
We're gonna watch the rehearsals. Because I love this song.
Okay.
Bye guys. Thank you for
Bye,
the rose.
guys.
Thank you for the gifts. I love you. See you tomorrow.
Kami nag-ice cream kami para merong ice cream. Ice cream yummy.
Finger heart.
Ice cream.
Finger heart.